What's up guys, my name is Peter Kaden. I'm a farm boy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I recorded a video and today niko hapa hivi Murang'a County. I'm back to my source. Nilitoka hapa hivi, nilikuwa huko side ya Gilgil, nikafanya ukulima pale hivyo, tulikuwa tunatengeneza compost. As you know guys, this channel is all about agriculture, traveling and maybe cooking here and there, because whatever we produce here at the farm, we end up adding value to that produce. Maybe kama ni nyanya, tunaenda tunatengeneza tomato sauce. That is our goal in our farm. This farm is called Pete's Food. Before tulikuwa tunaitwa green leaf hydroponics. Yeah, for the rabbits tumeshaanza pale hivyo, tuko na rabbits 5. We have the female tuko na 3 na tuko na male 2 kubwa. Sasa hizi tunagojea ianze kuzaana. It's been like 1 month since I came back here and so far so good. I'm also preparing my land for the vegetables and that land tunataka ikue level. At least unaona pale hivyo, this place is so hilly that kila mahali ni mlima, so we want that land to be flat at least, so that when we plant our produce hazitabebwa na maji. Tukiweka hiyo manure haitakuja kama imebebwa na maji, and it will be easier for us to work on that land too. So hapa hivi video tumekuwa tukifanya kazi kuchimba hizi mamitaro, tengeneza hiyo flat fetch, alafu tumetaka fetch, we call it fetch, and from there we're going to plant cabbages around 3,000 heads, and we're looking forward to that project too, and we're expecting to have the market around November, December there. Yeah, so So that is the plan we have for this Pete's farm here at the farm. And until next time, man, cheers.